Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp on your phone. It's a very simple and easy download process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected to internet. If you are on your Android, head over to your Google Play Store. If you are on an iPhone, then you can open up the App Store. Here I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can tap on the search bar and type in WhatsApp and search for it. You'll see the WhatsApp app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. Here you can see the WhatsApp Messenger app by WhatsApp LLC. So this is the official one. You can even check with this official logo. Once you find this app, you can see the install button right next to it. You can simply tap on it to download the WhatsApp app on your device. So tap on install. The download process might take few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, you can see this open button. You can launch the app from here, so tap on open. And there you go. The WhatsApp app has been successfully downloaded to your device. You can now configure your WhatsApp account and begin to explore it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.